This is my friend Rasmer. He's a popular streamer who is about to embark on his journey of learning Claude Code. This isn't like other vibe coding tutorials you've seen before, because if my retarded friend Rasmer can make something useful, so can you. But here's what we're gonna do to install this, all right? So actually, you're gonna go back to the chat and you're gonna say, I'm dumb and I don't know how to install Claude Code. Can you help me?
Okay.
I've never done anything with coding before. Like, just say that to the chat. Nice.
That's it? I'm dumb and I don't know how to start Claude Code. Can you help me? I've never done coding
Yeah.
before. Okay.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Holy shit.
And then switch it to Opus just so like you know what it is. Like you see Sonnet 4.5.
Yeah, wait, so what is Sonnet?
So Sonnet is like the lightweight version of Opus 4.5. So it's cheaper, it's faster, it's but the quality of the output is just not going to be as good, to be honest.
Wow. Okay. And by the way,
Especially for the coding stuff.
by the way, I didn't get
Yeah.
the $100 a month. I got the 20 a month. I'm just letting you know. Maybe that makes me an idiot, but
Okay. No, it's fine. That's how they get you.
okay. Okay.
So we're less than a minute in, and Rasmer has his first fuck up. So here, Rasmer goes off screen to make sure no private information is leaked, at which point he tries running the command, and he's going to encounter his first bug, his first I don't know what to do moment. And I think one of the more important parts of this whole video is watching what happens next and how to deal with moments where you don't know what to do next. Perfect. I love this. So what we're about to do is basically the atomic unit of how you make progress with AI in every way. So you're gonna just copy that error message and then paste. Just copy the whole thing.
Well,
copy everything in your terminal.
It already says what to do. It says if you don't have it installed, you need to grab them first by nodejs.org.
It's fine. I think the point is more like how flexible these things are.
Okay,
So
okay.
what I want you to do is actually just literally copy it and paste it, you know, into Claude.
I don't even need to like brief it on what.
You can just command A. Like what you'll learn very quickly is these things are so smart that like you don't need to be careful with it. You don't need to give it exactly what it is. It'll figure it out. Like so you just paste that. Just paste the error. You could add the words like, you know, I just ran into this error or whatever it is.
Oh wow.
Perfect.
Okay. Download.
So now look, perfect. So now it's even easier. Like, so go to the website that they recommend to download Node.js, you know, and then it says click the big green button because you said you're dumb. So they're going to just tell you what to do.
Big green button that says LTS. Well, maybe I'm fucking too retarded for this shit.
Go to download. But if you wanted to be even more, here, let's just do this. Take a screenshot of this now, and then just paste the screenshot into Claude. Like, don't even say anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Everyone in chat is gonna just like make fun of me now. Rasmer, you're so dumb.
Oh, am I loud? I'll sit back from the mic. I just get excited.
Dude, I feel like I'm like losing my virginity right now.
No, I'm proud of you, honestly. This is sick.
This is crazy.
Even just doing this is just showing you could literally do anything, and if you feel dumb or you have an issue, you could just ask it and it'll just tell you what to do.
Dude, they're telling me I'm so dumb. Like okay.
People are saying, oh, here, I like the chat because I can read the chat.
Yeah.
People are saying he's going to waste all his tokens. This is probably the most destructive mindset, especially when you're starting on, is you should just not be careful at all about what you say to AI. In fact, it's the opposite. Most people that are early in AI don't send nearly enough messages and see responses with AI than they should. And the goal when you're first starting is to actually just maximize the amount of random shit that you send to it, and then just see how it responds, because that's going to tune your brain best to like how these things actually work. So here we go. Like, you put the screenshot in, right? Do you now go follow the instructions?
Okay. Click get JN. Oh, okay. That's simple. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Get Node.js. Windows installer. Oh my god. Dude, what the fuck?
What?
It's got to be this, right? Windows installer.
Yeah,
Oh
if that's what it says.
God.
Also, Windows just sucks, but you're on your stream computer right now, so.
All right, we just did the Windows installer. Do I have to ask this shit again? What's up, Will? Good to see you in chat.
Well, what did it say next? And one thing to know too is when you set it up, this is probably the most intensive, like clicking around screens and stuff like this it's gonna get, because by the time we're done with this, you'll see it's basically like Chat GPT on your computer. Like you just chat with it once it's installed. This is just the annoying part. I have a lot of respect for you for trying this. You know, like,
Holy shit! Holy shit! It's doing something. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? What's happening?
Oh, you're such a hacker, dude. That's crazy.
Whoa. Rasmer tell
Yeah,
Claude
Terminal
IDE.
is cool. Like when you first set shit up, they do a bunch of animations and stuff. It's fun.
Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm on Windows, by the way. Okay, wait. Now that
Yeah,
I did
come here.
this, just type Claude. Run Claude Code once installed. I just type Claude in here.
Right.
Holy shit. Low key cool to watch. Wait, okay. Thank you, Caleb.
Now you have an error. What do you do next?
Ask chat.
Yeah, just copy the whole thing.
Git bash. Oh my god, we need one more fucking thing. Do the opposite.
I told you it's the most intensive part. Yeah.
Throw that in Claude. Happy birthday, bit.
Oh, you might have to make a GitHub. Let's see. Raspberry GitHub. Holy aura.
Download Git. Dude, fuck. Okay. Oh my god. Click the download link. It should
No, we're
install.
gonna look, Raz. There's no giving up now. You're gonna power through this. We're not stopping until you do all of it.
Yes. Okay. Doing this. Okay. Then I run the installer and just finish it, and then I try again. Okay, easy. Oh, shout out to the raid. Thank you for the one person raid. I appreciate you. Okay. I think we did it.
So far, let's recap, by the way, even for the chat, just so they understand, because I think I'm pretty far along. Like, I've been using AI, like GPT, since 2020 was the first time I used the first GPT AI API, GPT-3. And what Rasmer is doing is the state of the art, like cutting edge way to learn AI. It's not courses, it's not YouTube videos, it's not tweets about people's crazy workflows. It is simply the process of asking it a question or trying to do something and then debugging or basically just figuring out what's going wrong with chat itself.
I just highlight everything or what?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Whatever like works.
Okay.
But I think you click enter here, actually. Just click dark mode.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually asking you a question in the terminal.
Oh, shit. Okay. Claude
Yeah.
account with subscription. I think I just got that.
Yeah. Yep. Click that. Enter. So there's no clicking on terminal, guys. You have to click enter, use your arrow keys, and type.
Holy fuck. Okay, I
perfect.
got it
Authorize.
Now I'm all set up. What? That's it? No more command shit?
We'll see. Let's go back. I'm on like a 1 second delay because I'm watching the stream.
Oh yeah, facts. Claude can make mistakes. Ready to code here. I kind of would prefer to do it in the browser. Is that normal?
No, you can't. But what we'll do next is actually install Cursor, and you can use it within Cursor. So, but first, just finish this process.
Okay, I think it's just I'm in now. I think we.
It's just yeah, I'm on the site. Okay, perfect, cool. Okay, so now say I want to use Claude Code in Cursor, but I don't have it installed. Can you help me?
Right here in the terminal.
Yeah, in there. Yeah, and then type it and then click enter.
Dude, what? Wait, so my command like fetches like Claude from the terminal, basically.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
No, you actually have the power of the planet Earth right now in that small box. Like it could do anything. Like
Okay, bet.
This interface that you're in, by the way, for people that are watching, this is the core Claude Code experience. It is in the terminal, but when you'll see when he installs Cursor, how it can get a lot easier to understand and read and make sense of what's happening.
Okay. Open Cursor.
Right, bro, he's dead ass a
Jesus,
hacker.
bro.
I'm crying.
Oh my god, wait. Install the extension. Bro. Do we need Claude Code and Cursor?
So just say I don't have Cursor downloaded. Where do I get it or whatever?
Am I tripping, or does this kind of like take longer to answer than Chat GPT?
It does, and what you'll learn too is it's you know, with ChatGPT, if you paste like something really long, it kind of like gets like the results are bad. Like they're not, you know, it just kind of gets a little wishy-washy. It doesn't process all the information.
Yeah.
You will never really run into that with Cursor or Claude. If you put a date like a file with 10,000, you know, like a CSV or Excel sheet with 10,000 entries, ChatGPT will do something called truncating, which means it's shortening the results. So it can just, you know, summarize it and just try to give you an answer without overloading the system. Cursor and Claude actually never do that. This is what's so magical about they call IDEs, basically using it in a terminal. It has access to your files on your computer. And so if it has a huge thing that it needs to do, it'll just create a doc with the plan for that thing and then just self-reference the doc itself. And the doc can be very, very long.
Got it. Okay. So that's an advantage of having it on the command.
Dude, it's a night and day to the point where if you start to try to do anything with AI, it's like you can't even use the web shit anymore because it's just night and day.
Okay, bet. Okay, bet. I'm installing or downloading Cursor right now, so it should be plus this shit. Oh, there.
Yeah, Command Plus, it works.
Okay, bet.
Nice.
Okay, this is like going to Claude now, basically.
Okay, so wait, well, I'll show you how to do that next. So
Okay.
see where it says Show Terminal? You see where it says in the middle, Show Terminal?
Yeah.
Yeah, click that.
Also, who owns Cursor? Which company?
Cursor.
And okay, and they're a private
Yeah.
company.
Okay, so now do you remember what to do? This is the terminal. What do you type to start Claude Code?
Oh no. Oh, right.
Are we in?
I typed Claude.
Yeah. So the term Claude is not recognized. So basically, do this. Copy this and then go paste it in your terminal that you already had open. Just copy the whole thing. Don't even say it. Don't even say what happened. Just copy it and paste it in the terminal.
Bet.
Yeah, chat smart. I need to initialize. Let him figure it out. This is how we're popping boys cherry.
Yeah, pregnant man knows his shit. Okay. I need to install Claude Code for. What? You know, it's really interesting. It seems like a lot of people have actually done this.
Yeah, I mean, it's the most powerful tool in my adult life, honestly. So
Okay, bet.
I hope people are starting. Yeah.
Now I need to install Claude Code on Windows. Is that correct? Checks out.
Yeah. So yeah, can you follow this? Or if you could say I'm dumb and so let's say this is like too complex. If you can follow it, it's good. If it's not, you just say I'm dumb. Can you explain it in a simpler way? Or
Run this
say I'm trying to put it in my cursor.
PowerShell? Brother, what the fuck does that mean?
PowerShell is what terminal is. You should basically copy paste. I mean, I don't want to say it. Like you should basically ask for clarification. Like say what you're trying to do. What are you trying to do? You're trying to open Claude Code in Cursor.
Oh, it just did it for me.
Okay, I don't know if that's gonna work.
It just did it for me.
I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's actually
another
crazy.
thing too. Yeah. Another thing too. I didn't know that's what it would do. A thing I do all the time, like I'm not even kidding, all the time, is sometimes it'll default by saying, "Oh, you have to do this," and I just say, "No, you do it." and then it just does it.
It uses your Google Chrome. It controls it.
It just figures it out. Yeah. If you just say like, "No, I can't do it," you just do it. It's okay. You can figure this out.
Dude, I actually deadass can't fucking figure this out, bro. It's like I'm getting PTSD to my fucking intro to Python class at USC, bro.
So just say that, like, literally, what the frustration you're feeling, just say it. Like, I really don't think I can figure this out. Like, just try saying that. Can you please help me? All I want is to get this working in Cursor. Nice, nice, nice. All right. We got a comedian. I'm just trying to.
This should give me PTSD to intro to Python sophomore year, bro. I'm just trying to do Claude and Cursor. Come on. Please. Intro to Python.
By the way, you're actually on the dumber model. You're on the dumber model. So what you should do right now is actually click /model and type /model space opus. Okay. So this part's a little frustrating. I haven't done this in a long time, so chat, sorry if I sound dumb too. So we're just gonna debug this together. Try writing this exactly. I just downloaded Cursor and I'm looking at the terminal, and this is the error it gave me. How do I fix this? And then you paste the error in. Yeah, I haven't done this in fucking a long ass time. I forgot.
Did this annoy you like when you first did it? Oh, fuck.
I'm sure.
Wait, Shift Enter doesn't work?
No.
So what is the way?
Wait, it should actually. No, Shift Enter should work for a new line. Enter. Yeah. Okay, so if it's running, by the way, and you want to stop it, you just go escape. You just type escape, or you just paste it. It knows. Okay. Yeah.
Don't have to use a terminal at all. Just install the extension in Cursor. Press this. Oh, okay. It seems like that's pretty straightforward. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's do it.
Control Shift X. Okay. Other the fuck. Control Shift X. Extension panel. Then Claude Code install. Holy fuck. Ah! Okay, trust publisher. Do I trust Anthropic? I don't know. Isn't it a Chinese company? Okay.
Okay.
New
chat. Go to the right. You see where it says new chat?
Yeah.
You see where it says new chat, plan at for context? Just say in there. Just say in there. Like click in the box.
Yeah.
And type, I'm trying to get Claude Code working in the terminal. Why is it not working?
Okay, let's do it.
All right, now click plus again and try it again.
Oh my god, we did it!
No way. Let's go. Okay, perfect. So now you see where there's an X on this like middle terminal thing. There's a arrow key, like caret thing that clicks up. Finally, guys, we've got here. Okay. What's the idea you want to build?
So I want to show them my clipping server, and I'll show you as well. And I'll explain what the main thing we want to do is.
Perfect.
Okay. I have a clipping server where clippers clip me on various social media pages that they own. Oh my god.
Yep.
Build a dashboard that scrapes view data from all posts, sorts them by clipper, and tells me.
By the way, before you don't send it until like pause before you send it. We'll talk about it.
Okay. But, yeah. What do you think about this prompt just to start?
Okay, cool. It's whatever. Okay. So add 2 spaces, and this is what I want you to type. Okay. Say use space use ask user question tool. It's all one word. Ask user.
Is it use space
question tool? Yes. Use space ask user question tool.
Okay. Are you naming the fucking like, are you basically
It'll do
creating
all of it. It'll do all of it. We're about to just watch. So
But
use
this
ask
is
you
the
two.
ask user question tool is like a thing that you just named, basically, right?
No. This is like the official name for Claude. So click
Oh,
space,
okay.
and then a couple more words. Use ask user question tool to ask me as many follow-ups as you need to get to clarity.
Okay, that's it.
Yep. You should be able to send this now.
People are saying Frank, you're doing good. Thanks. Yeah, he appreciates it. Yeah.
Thanks,
All right.
Thanks, guys. So now what it's doing is it's gonna like basically process what to do with this and should basically start to ask you questions as it starts to figure it out. Yeah.
Okay, so which social media platforms are you currently posting to? And if I press
So
enter,
the way you navigate this is with your arrow keys and you click enter to check a box. If it's multiple, you can basically click enter multiple times.
okay.
And if the right answer doesn't show, then usually there's a fifth option or fourth option where you can type it in and then you click enter on that. Yeah.
Okay, so it is doing we're doing YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is pretty weak, and we don't really give a fuck about it as much, so it's not main. But we do YouTube Shorts, TikTok obviously, Instagram obviously, Twitter X. I have those analytics for myself, and it's one page. It's just me, so I don't need this tool for that. So I think that's it, right, Elliot? I'm not. We don't.
Yeah.
Have, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's fine. So now you scroll down where it says next and you're gonna click enter on next.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's important for me when I'm building this is I want my producer Wyatt to be able to use it. Okay.
Yeah.
So
you know what's funny is what you just said. If you scroll to the option 4 and you just typed it, it'll handle it. Like you don't need to baby it. Yeah, yeah. Like even if it sounds super retarded for you to put that in this question, it's actually it'll actually make the model think. It's like, damn, what did this guy just say? Like, I asked for tech stack. He's saying this. It's never a bad place to put context.
I'm not gonna lie, it's fun.
No, I tweeted this, I think yesterday. This is like the number one. If you want to hack, it's not all the complicated stuff. It's like the number one cool thing for especially new people with coding AIs that I've seen in a very long time. It really does a great job of asking you the right questions and it makes it a lot more engaging to go through the process to get better results. Yeah, you're gonna have to do API keys, which is fine. Like we'll get there.
I heard and if I show my API keys on stream, it could like someone could hack me or something. Is that real?
Yeah. Don't show your API keys on stream. Yeah. You can even tell you can tell at one point, like I'm on stream right now. Like, can you make sure to warn me if I'm gonna open anything that's that I shouldn't show.
But also I'm live streaming right now.
Nice, exactly. Now you're getting it, bro. Now you're getting it. This is the sauce. You just say whatever. All with installing it, it'll help you with everything. There's not really anything it won't help you with, to be honest.
It said an African child dies for every prompt you fire off.
Yeah, here we go. What's built? Right, let's just read this together. Okay, so what's built? Location, cool, whatever. Features, leaderboard, dashboard, blah 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 blah. Tech stack, blah blah blah. So you see, yours says to run locally. This is a fun one, right? See, yours to run locally.
Yeah.
So you just say, go to the chat now of Claude Code. Like scroll all the way down and just say, can you run it for me?
On what?
Yeah. Like you see, just push this together. Just say, can you run localhost and open it for me?
Oh, okay.
But I don't think it's gonna have data yet.
But I don't have the data, yeah.
Yeah. But you'll just see it should open like a browser and shit for you. Like watch and open it.
So look what it built for me, Frank. You can press add clip right here.
So what do you think about this so far? Like, does this work? Like, what's your immediate take? Obviously, we need to wait for the data to come in.
Yeah, once the data comes in, I'm gonna have a lot of feedback for how I want
it. My challenge to you is you got to do it in less than 10 seconds. Like, just do it. Like, if you had to communicate with the AI, I'm gonna actually let's do 15 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. I'm gonna count down, and you got to communicate what you're trying to communicate to the AI right now. All right, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
I want graphs
7
of the different
6
clippers.
5.
Actually, no.
4, 3, 2, 1. Just send it. Just send it. Just send it. Just send, no. Just send that. Just send that. You have to. You just send it.
Okay. Sent it. Why?
So what you're gonna just start doing, you gotta practice is like, you just want to start firing prompts as much as possible. Because at the end of the day, here's some like really deep thought on AI. At the end of the day, it's random number generation to a degree. Like you're actually just getting like random outputs to a degree from all these things. There's like a lottery element to it. And I think you should just be firing a lot of prompts per day without thinking about it. Because a lot of your best things you're gonna make or do or figure out will result in that, because 80% of the time AI is pretty good.
Okay. I don't want to get into the website because I'm skeptical that there's 312. I'm skeptical about this.
Perfect. So you should articulate this right now, the Claude Code, in the next 10 seconds. Go.
Okay.
Come on.
Can you clarify the time frame on the 312 posts? Also, I want filters to filter for Clipper, then the page the Clipper has, and see the rankings from there. But I also need a filter that is only the Clipper, which consolidates stats from all the pages for each Clipper. That's the first thing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Boom. Dude, I'm so proud of you. By the way, chat, that was a W. That was a W moment right there.
Let's go.
That's a real vibe code right there.
And then we're doing Vercel login on the terminal right here. See ya. This looks more right. 22 million views payable. 890K for November. But that's on TikTok only, right? That's only on TikTok? See, this has 3 million. That's definitely not right. Oh no, this is exactly correct.
Holy.
Didn't we pay for 3 million views in November, or was it 1.8?
Let's go.
This was correct, right? Wait, I can't believe we got it to work, Frank. You're a fucking genius. You don't have Frank's
No, it's
Discord.
sick. I want it. Yeah, we should do one last thing to it too.
But let me just add fucking.
I wonder, Raz, if it can also include all of the individual posts. You can kind of audit it. Like, I don't know if that's helpful, but
Right.
or you just want to see the total. Yeah.
Oh, it's just weird. Yeah.
Give me a second. I'm pulling it up. Okay, so he said.
Whoa! What the fuck? Wait, what?
Whoa!
Wait, it already has it,
shit.
Frank.
That's
Yeah, I figured. Yeah, that's insane. Now you could even just be like, now you could be like, can you make it an embed so it plays on the site?
How
too?
did I just
Come on, bro.
access that? That was actually OD. What the fuck?
Wait, what do you just click on them?
Wait, Frank literally just said some shit and it actually already exists and I didn't even know.
He made it exist with the word of mouth, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's all Claude Opus, bro. That's just Opus 4.5.
Holy shit.
Okay. Holy fuck, that was nuts.
I'm gonna cut the video here, but we kept going for a couple hours to add features and make it actually fit his use case. Again, this was Rasmer's first time ever touching a terminal. And by the end of the process, he built a tool that he uses still every day. I hope your takeaway from this is very simple. If my retarded friend Rasmer can do it, so can you.